Hello everyone, we are Team Green Guardians. I am Emmanuel. I am Arya. I am Samad, and we are studying in grade 8 Excel Public School, Mysore, Pune. The theme we've chosen is sustainability.
In today's world, managing waste has become a growing challenge. With textile, furniture, and plastic waste filling our landfills, it's time for a change. Introducing the Green Guardians app, a revolutionary solution to promote recycling, upcycling, and redistribution. We interviewed the coordinator of Goonj NGO, Mysore Center, Ms. Radha, and took her input along with a few donors to understand the process better. The Green Guardians app connects donors, organizations, and recycling centers to streamline waste management. Developed with Thunkable, this app empowers users to reduce waste and make a positive impact on the environment.
The Green Guardians app offers a seamless experience with its intuitive features. Upon signing up, logging in, and verifying the email, users are directed to explore the list of featured items and donation promotions available on clothes, furniture, and plastic waste on different screens based on their selections. When users choose to either donate or purchase an item, the app takes them through a simple process. Buyers are guided to the pickup screen where they can easily locate the nearest recycling center to pick up their purchase. Donors are directed to the schedule pickup screen where they can schedule a convenient time for their donations to be picked up. This smooth and efficient flow ensures both donors and buyers can engage in sustainable practices with ease. Incentives for donations. The donors earn discount coupons for every donation which can be redeemed at the stores mentioned.
The Green Guardians app offers more than just waste management. If selected, we are committed to enhancing the app with exciting features such as tracking carbon footprints, advanced sorting algorithms, and educational content on sustainable practices. Our goal is to help you make informed and eco friendly decisions and reduce your environmental impact. Also, to provide all recycling centers across India with a digital platform to connect with the donors as well as the buyers.
I am aligned in the coding and development of the app.
And I researched on the recycling of the clothes and developed the research document.